Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. Y'all know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, September the 24th at Dollar General. Plus, we're also going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event, which started today and it's going to run through Sunday the 25th. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because y'all know those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and click that share button and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right, guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, if you are looking for even more deals to do over the weekend, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos that I've uploaded this week. I did upload a total of 5, and then the one that y'all are watching right now makes number 6. And there are some really good deals out there. In my Dollar General video alone, I included over 80 good deals and glitches, so that is a definite must watch. Plus, I also did a Walmart clearance video that was a short, sweet, and simple video, and also Family Dollar, where I go over all of the best deals, the glitches. We do have a couple of freebies there as well, plus a 5 off $25 scenario for this Saturday. So if you missed out on any of those videos, I'm going to have them all linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and talk about this Dollar General clearance event. Again, it is starting today, Friday, September the 23rd, and it is going to run through Sunday, September the 25th. So y'all have all weekend long to shop this clearance event. Now, typically, if you all have been around for a while, you already know I go all out for a good clearance event video. I love making those videos with the POG clearance in the clearance section with coupon matchups, freebies, and overages. Those are probably some of my favorite videos to make. However, this is only a seasonal clearance event. So, unfortunately, the clearance section and POG clearance will not be included. So for this clearance event, I decided just to make a quick little cheat sheet, and that way you guys will know which categories are included in the additional 50% off clearance event. So basically what that means is all of these categories are already clearanced down. So we have swim and summer pink square toys. Those are currently sitting at 25% off, but during this clearance event throughout the weekend, they are going to be an additional 50% off. Lawn and garden, that's kind of a tricky one. At some of my stores, it is sitting at 50% off. Some of my stores have already marked it down to 70% off. So during the weekend, it is going to be an additional 50% off. Now, spring stationery is currently sitting at 25% off. Green Dot Home is currently sitting at 50% off. And then the personal protection equipment, that's kind of a weird one. It's like 25 to 50% off, depending on which products you find out there. Now, we have one more category that is included, and that is Blue Star Toys. Now, these are going to be an additional 50% off of their regular price, all right? So, y'all keep that in mind. Be on the lookout for some good deals, because you know Christmas is right around the corner. Now, a lot of the categories that are included in this clearance event were also included in the last clearance event that we had back in August. So I wanted to go ahead and show you all my Dollar General clearance event haul from back in August. It was on the 21st. Obviously, I picked up the pillows. Those ended up being $2 each. I picked up a lot of storage bins. These ended up being $2.40 each. I think back then we had that 3 off 15 DG store coupon that stacked perfectly with those storage containers. Now, during the last clearance event, I also found a store that was manually taking 70% off at the register. So in this picture right here, all of these storage containers were 70% off, plus I had that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. And the next picture that you're going to see was also from the same store. We had all of the summer barbecue items. These were all marked down to 70% off at this store. So I really lucked up on this deal. All of those waters and coffees and even some pickles ended up being just 13 cents each. Now, during the last clearance event, the lawn and garden items were included. Plus, on Sunday, we had a new sale pop up, which was buy 2, get 1 for free. So I did run out and pick up quite a few of the lawn and garden items as well. All of these ended up being $1.13 each. Now, here's a transaction that I really want to talk to y'all about for just a quick second, because a lot of people hear the word seasonal clearance events and they just completely write it off like, you know, we'll get that stuff when it's 70% off or 80% off or 90% off. No big deal. We'll get that stuff later, right? Well, with a clearance event, you really just never know what you're going to get until you get out there and go to different stores and ask your employees what is included. Because I stumbled upon a store that were including the clearance section. Now, even though the memo for the last clearance event told us that the clearance section was not going to be included, this particular store had a lot of clearance that they needed to get rid of. So as soon as the employee told me that the clearance section was included, I ran back there to see what kind of deals that I could find. Now, there wasn't a whole lot of coupon matchups, but I did score these 45 count paper plates. I picked up quite a few packs of those, and then I also found these Swiffers. I think this was a 20 count or a 30 count of the wet refills. So those were 50% off, plus we had a digital coupon that went along with it. So all of these items turned out to be $2.39 each. So that just goes to show you never know what's going to be included and what stores are doing what until you get out there and stop and ask and look around. All right, now that we've talked about the clearance event, you guys have all the information that you need for that. I'm going to go ahead and give you all a quick little heads up that I do have the new PNG insert, and I will be doing a preview and giveaway video. So y'all make sure that you have your notifications turned on and be on the lookout for that video coming up next. Now, if everybody's already left their smiles down in the comment section below for me, let's go ahead and jump right into these 5 off $25 scenarios. All right, so for our first scenario, you want to pick up 6 boxes of the General Mills cereals that are on sale, 3 for $6. One of the Sargento balanced breaks at $1.30. 2 bags of the Bugles that are on sale, 2 for $1. One of the finished 12 count dishwasher tablets at $3.65. One of the finished jet dry rinse aids at $4.25. One of the Purex laundry packs at $3.50, and 5 of the Crest and Oral-B products at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $30.70. And again, you do not need to add in the 5 Crest and Oral-B products. I'm just adding those to take advantage of the overage because those coupons do expire this Saturday. So here is your list of coupons. Of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 10 General Mills, the 1 off 2 General Mills, the 1 off 2 General Mills, the 1 off 1 finished product, the 150 off 1 finished product, the 150 off 1 Purex packs, the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B, and the 5 off 3 Crest and Oral-B. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.70 for 17 items. But this deal gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 3,000 point bonus when you purchase any dishwasher tablets and the finished jet dry rinse aid. So you're going to submit a receipt to Fetch Rewards and get $3 back on that. And then we also have a 500 point bonus on the Sargento balanced bricks. So you're going to submit a receipt to Fetch Rewards and get 50 cents back for the Sargentos. And then you're also going to submit your receipt to the coupons.com app and get $1 back for purchasing 2 of the General Mills cereals because there were 2 boxes that we did not use a manufacturer coupon on. And that is going to bring your final price down to $5.20 for all 17 items, making each one just 30 cents each. All right, so moving on into our next scenario, I have included the Scott Bath Tissue Comfort Plus 12 count rolls because right now they are sitting at regular price at $5, but unfortunately at my store last Saturday, I did notice that the sticker was a little bit different, and it looks like they're going to be raising the prices up to $5.35 soon. It hasn't happened yet, but they are putting those stickers out on the shelf, so y'all be aware of that and make sure that you are scanning your items to price check because it looks like we're going to get another big round of price increases coming up soon. So for this scenario, you want to pick up one of the Scott 12 count bath tissue at $5, one of the Sparkle 2 count paper towels at $3.75, one of the Purex laundry packs at $3.50, one of the finished 12 count dishwasher tablets at $3.65, one of the finished jet dry rinse aids at $4.25, one Febreze warmer at $3.25, and then 5 of the Crest and Oral-B products at $1 each. That's going to put your subtotal at $28.40. And here is your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 1 off 1 Scott Bath Tissue, the 1 off 1 Sparkle Paper Towels, the 150 off 1 Purex, the 1 off 1 Finish, the 150 off 1 Finish, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze Warmer, the 3 off 2 Crest, and the 5 off 3 Crest. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.10 for 11 items. But this deal does get even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have that 3,000 point bonus for the finished product. So you're going to submit a receipt to Fetch Rewards and get $3 back. And then also on Fetch Rewards, don't forget that we do have bonuses for the Scott paper products. So anytime you pick up a Scott paper product, make sure that you're scanning your receipt into Fetch Rewards. That way you can track toward that bonus. Now, after you receive your points back from Fetch, that's going to make your final price $4.10 for all 11 items, making each one just 37 cents each. All right, now for this last scenario, I need to talk to you all for just a quick second about it. So if you guys haven't left your smiles down in the comment section below yet, right now would be the perfect time to do that while I am talking. So for this last scenario, I am trying to stack the instant savings deal where we spend $8 on Tresemme, Suave, and Shea Moisture. We're going to try to spend $16 and hopefully the instant savings will stack and take off a total of $4 in instant savings at the register. Now, if all that works out, this is going to turn out to be a fantastic deal. If it doesn't work out, that just means that we're going to pay $2 more. Now, with all that being said, this week has been just a crazy week for me. I had a birthday, we had soccer practice, soccer games, plus I have had some plumbing issues at my house that I have pretty much had to sit here and wait on a plumber all day to show up. So, unfortunately, I have not made it out to Dollar General yet to try this specific deal. However, as soon as I get this video uploaded and posted, I will be making a trip out to Dollar General today to try out the Tresemme, Shea Moisture, and Suave products and see if that instant savings will stack. So y'all be on the lookout. I will make an updated post in the community tab, and I will also come back to this video and leave a post in the pinned comment. So y'all make sure that you check out that pinned comment down below, and I will give y'all an update on whether that instant savings stacks or not. Now, if you guys have already been out and tried this deal, please let me know down in the comments if that instant savings stacked for you. Alright, so for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Shea Moisture bar soaps at $6, two of the Tresemme hair masks at $2 each, and two of the Suave pink shampoos for $4.45 each, one of the Axe body sprays at $6, one of the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants at $2.95, and two of the Crescent Oral-B products at $1 each. So that's going to bring your subtotal to $29.85, and if the instant savings stacks, that's going to take off a total of $4, and that will bring your new subtotal down to $25.85. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 350 off 1 Shea Moisture, the 3 off 2 Tresemme, the 2 off 6 Suave, the 2 off 2 Axe, and the buy one get one free on the Axe products from the Unilever insert. That's going to bring your subtotal after coupons down to $4.35 for 9 items. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.50 rebate back on the Suave pink shampoos. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and get $3 back. And that's going to bring our final price down to $1.35 for all 9 items, making each one just 15 cents each. Now, like I said before, if the instant savings does not stack, that just means that our final price is going to be $3.35 for all 9 items. Either way, it's going to be an awesome deal. Alright guys, so there you have it. That is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of y'all good luck with your couponing deals this weekend. Now, as I said before, be on the lookout for that community post as well as the PNG insert giveaway. And while you're waiting on those updates, make sure that you go back and check out my previous videos, and all of that information will be linked in the pinned comment down below. Now, before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.